at metals and non-metals, which is the third chapter for standard 10th science. There are 118 metals which are known to us, out of which 90 are metals and 22 are non-metals. And there are a few metalloids which are present. Examples of metals would be sodium, Na, potassium K, aluminium, calcium, iron, barium, etc. And examples of non-metals would be oxygen, hydrogen, nitrogen, sulfur, fluorine, etc. Let us look at the physical properties of metals. Metals are solids at room temperature, except mercury. Please remember the exceptions from exam point of view, they can be asked. They are ductile in nature, that is, they can be drawn into wires. They are malleable, that is, they can be beaten into thin sheets. Example would be your aluminium foil, which you use to wrap your food. They are sonorous, that is, they produce sound. Whenever you strike a metal, you will always hear a sound from it. This is the property known as sonorous. They are lustrous, that is, they give a very natural shine. Example would be gold. Gold shines, right? So that would be an example. They have high melting point except cesium and gallium. They have very low melting point. Remember this exception. They are generally good conductors of heat and electricity except lead and mercury, which are comparatively poor conductors. So lead and mercury do not conduct heat and electricity, whereas silver and gold are the best conductors. Metals have high density except sodium and potassium. They have very low density and they can be cut with a knife. Now let us look at the physical properties of non-metals. Non-metals can be solids or they can be gases. Exception would be bromine, which is a liquid. Generally, non-metals are bad conductors of heat and electricity, except graphite. Now, graphite is a natural form of carbon, which is a good conductor. They are non-sonorous, that is, they do not produce sound. They are non-lustrous, they don't give a very natural shine. Iodine, this is an exception, has luster. This is a common point between metals and non-metals. So let us look at it. Metals form basic oxides. Example would be magnesium oxide. While non-metals, they form acidic oxides. Example is acid rain. Now, non-metals such as sulfur dioxide and nitrogen oxide react with water. These oxides can dissolve in the water to form acid and fall on the earth as acid rain. So that's all for this video. Please do like, comment and subscribe.